Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ayushi Sharma. I am an academician, a researcher and an edupreneur. I'm here today to give my views on the topic use of technology for the betterment of humanity. Now, as we know that technology has helped or impacted the lives of individuals in various ways. In different fields of life, technology has impacted in positive ways and it has helped individuals to come up with many positive effects. Now, when we talk about education, the first field which is the most happening or revolutionary field, education, it has impacted in a very positive way. With the help of technology, we can access any type of information which is available on internet. Second, it has helped in the online education. Now, in the world of pandemic where everyone is struggling with COVID-19, we, with the help of technology, are able to provide education to the child ranging from nursery to the higher levels. This is the boon which we are actually having in our lives. Now, with the help of technology, it is helpful that we can access data anywhere, anytime. It helps us to connect 24/7, anytime, anywhere. Availability is there with the help of technology. Now, there were times where people usually struggled with, managing or having relationships with different people. Now, with the help of technology, it is becoming very easier. You can contact anybody anytime, 24/7 you are available. So this has actually given you a connection, or rather it is a means to connect with the people who are around us. Communication, staying connected today is the need of hour. Once you are out of connection, you are gone. So with the help of technology, you have connected to people, you know what is going on. Third, with the help of technology, it is beneficial in business and commerce. So e-commerce platform, we have seen how e-commerce is booming these days. Anybody is ordering anything which is required. So now people need not to go and shop. People can sit at their comfortable places and they can shop anywhere, anytime. So why? This is with the help of technology. At the same time, technology has helped individuals to provide data or to stay connected with those philosophers who they think earlier were only available in books. Now, with the help of platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, you can be connected to people who are sitting at any corner of the world, and they can be connected to you. They can be beneficial to you, not in any different way, but to increase your productivity. Apart from that, in my views, technology has definitely helped the individuals, or it has served as a productive thing in the lives of people. It is definitely not the killer in productivity. So that's all for this. And I hope now with the help of technology, I'm here and I can express my views how technology is helping, and it is actually creating a very vast hub of knowledge. Thank you.